Hello, everybody. It's Arlene again from Gingy's Journey. So, I just wanted to jump on here really quick and show you guys the new collection from Cheaply Chic. It is the Home Sweet Home collection for the month of March, and it arrived for me a couple days ago. As I've mentioned before, I love these kits, and I've been purchasing them every month for the past several months. I truly love them. I have fun working in them, and just as I shared the process last month, I would like to share with you guys the process this month of me creating in them, and I hope that you find some inspiration in the process. If you'd like to know more about these journals and the collection, please head over to her YouTube channel. She talks more about it, and right before the release, she gives all of the information, and on the release day, she shows all of the contents that will be included with the kits. She sells these over on her Etsy shop. I will link everything down below. I'm not sure if there are any more available. There might. She also has other kits and different goodies in her shop that you can check out as well. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys to music, and I hope you guys enjoy viewing the contents of this package, and I will be back showing some of the process. If you guys want to see anything or you have any questions, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I do want to mention that the sari trim on the side is not included in the kit. They're actually trims that I separated to make ruffles in my journal. Because they match so perfectly with the collection. So yeah, I just wanted to inform you guys it's not included.